Hi there, and welcome back to the 7-Figure Mastery Advanced Level series. In the previous module, we walked you through the basics of the sales funnel, what it is and why you need a proper strategy for it. Today, in this module, we'll look into the components that make up a sales funnel. An ideal sales funnel consists of these few components: 1. Front end, 2. Upsell, 3. Downsell, and 4. Back end. First stage, front end. This is the part where you walk your prospects through your offer. At this point, no one would have bought anything from you yet. At this stage, what you want to do is to attract prospects. One way to do this is by offering potential customers your products at low to medium price ranges. At this point of the sales funnel, you're not looking at making a profit yet. Your focus here is to drive up traffic volume. Not only that, pricing your offer as self-offering minimize risks for prospects monetary-wise, making it more likely for them to make a purchase. This product offering here would be one that is most visible on your website or landing page, and one that prospects will buy first. Your aim is to use this as bait to reel the visitors in. Your offer here can come in the form of an ebook, a video, or even a software product. Whatever the product, your product should most importantly provide value. Good value creates happy customers, which in turn makes them more likely to stick around. Here's an example. Your front-end product can come in the form of a software to assist internet marketers to create and edit their bonus pages without the need of knowledge of coding and design. This product solves a problem, the complexity of creating bonus pages, and provides value. Its low price point makes it a low-risk buy for prospects. When they find out just how useful the product is, they'd be more likely to look forward to other products you have for sale. Second stage, upsell. This is the stage where your clients are given the opportunity to upgrade their front-end offer. Here's how you do this. When the visitors have filled in the second step of the front end and click the Submit button, you then direct them to a special one-time offer. This is where you promote your upgrade or add-ons. Here, you'll sell a pricier upgraded version of your previous offer that the customer already owns, or provide clients with the opportunity to add extra features or to get add-ons for their existing product, which will be even more helpful for their needs. The key here is to increase value and make the upsell essential and natural. Let's take the same example of the same bonus page software I mentioned earlier. Here, as the upsell, you offer the deluxe, more advanced version of the same software product where there is an upgrade in value. The product's library is tripled as compared to the front-end offer. To reflect the increased value the product offers, the price is adjusted to be a little pricier than the original product, which is $48.86. The next important aspect is how you structure your one-time offer. Obtaining the second yes from your clients is 80% dependent on your offer structure and 20% script. Here are some tips on how you should structure your upsell offer. Don't sell more of the same offer. This is a common mistake. Entrepreneurs try to sell more of what the customer just bought at the front end. For instance, if your front end is a book on dating tips, your next offer should not be the same thing. Don't sell a totally random product. The next major mistake people make is selling random, unrelated products. When there's no logical connection between your front end and your upsells, you will automatically kill conversions. Focus on the next thing. This is one of the smartest ways to do upsells. For instance, if your client has already purchased the dating tips book, you know that his or her end goal is to find a partner. Think of what your audience will be interested to know more next in that context. You can offer them an upsell on how to dress to impress on their first date, or even on personality and character building to attract their other half. Those types of upsells will convert well as they are related to the end goal for the audience. Third stage, downsell. So, we know that not all our customers will buy into your upsell offer. Some are bound to decline the offer, and this is where the downsell offer comes in. The downsell is where you offer the person who rejected your offer an alternative product at a much lower price. The benefit here is that although the customer has declined your original upsell offer, you still earn something from your sales efforts, as opposed to nothing without the downsell. Plus, if the customer ends up liking your downsell product, you may have just earned yourself another very likely repeat buyer. There is a simple, foolproof method for executing downsells. All you have to do is just remove the bonuses from your offer and lower the price of the product. That's it. For instance, if your original offer is $97, you can lower the price by $30, remove the bonuses, and then make the same offer. Fourth and final stage, back end. Here is the stage where you bring out your highest valued and usually priciest offer, often with more or deeper information or more access to you. This is where you gain maximum profit, as it's where you can charge at a premium rate. Due to its value and pricing nature, back-end products are usually offered a few days after the other funnel stages. The back-end offer is usually targeted towards a small, very responsive group of customers. This small group are customers who have traveled from the front-end stage, managed to harness significant value from the products they have either gotten for free or bought from you, and are convinced enough, so much so that they look forward to buy more from you. Some examples of back-end offers are exclusive offers like private coaching or training programs. These trainings are usually referred to as high ticket.